Let's talk about gender and what gender really is. Is gender the truth? Is it the final be all end all? No. Because if gender was the truth, then we wouldn't have transgender and this fluid identity changing and men becoming women and women becoming men. And no. Because the issue with the left is they're too fluid. So now they have no anchor, they have no being, they have nothing real. The right is too rigid. They still cling to biology and rules and laws, and it works until you meet the left, and then they start clashing, like oobleck, like that stuff. They just hit, and then it just freezes, and then it becomes liquid again. And what both sides miss is that the truth is in the middle. The truth is, meaning, it was never gender, because gender is a form, but you have to look at the essence behind the gender, which is consciousness, which is energy, which is probability, which is density, which is alignment and frequency. That is the middle truth of both of them. That is what allows both of them to even exist. But none of them see it because they're too busy caught up in sides and beliefs and egos and identity wars and political sides and beliefs. Well, I just said those words, but you get the point. So your true answer is in between. It is in math, physics, and science. It is in what makes reality reality. It's what makes everything even exist and be in the first place, which is, again, energy, frequency, probability, density, vibration, and so on, alignment or delay. So stop looking at the gender, look at the consciousness behind the gender, and that's where all your answers will lie. And that's why you will see why things are happening, why there's the left and the right, and where the issues are. Because it's always in the middle, and it's neither on it, it's not on a side, because truth does not have sides, truth is, and you see it or you don't. Because right now as it stands, there's silent truth is not recognized. Meaning, if this continues on like this, then it will just leave everyone behind, and by that I mean extinction, because they cannot sit here and wait for this long for human fragmentation and delay and entropy. So yeah, do what you will with that. Not form but essence, not gender but consciousness. That's your answer.